we did something about our. This is like something that we made about our about angles. These are games that we played. As you can see, I won 3, and these are like you have to use like a circle or an X and say each degree. So it says this is 0. It either goes, the ones on this side are 30 degrees, and the ones on this side goes up to 0 to 45.
Right.
So we had to figure out which one was each, and we had to say it. We had to say which one it was before. So if I said I'll start at 0 and go up to 180 degrees, I'd have to say 180 degrees and say which circle, 1, 2, or 3.
Right.
Which Ms. Fox said was something that I think they use in airplanes.
Yeah.
Yeah, to coordinate. And so if you get 4 in a row, then you win the game. And I thought this was really cool because it was really fun for us to do and to learn about different angles and how to play the game and how people use it in airplanes. This is my first. This is my first like draft that I made for Miss Grant's class. This is the first draft that I made of our paper, of our article that we made. I did the superintendent search, and this is the first draft that we made, and we had to make it better and longer. So that was a little bit difficult, but it was really fun at the same time. And
so it looks like some of the markings here were some mistakes, but also like here it says like nice explanation. Just need to break it down. So it's like a good start, right?
Yeah. She like Miss Grimes like really pushed us, which was good because we had to take like if she gives us a sentence, we have to like make a paragraph about and explain every single detail about that sentence. So we have to explain maybe like what the day was like, what time it was exactly. Like everything has to be exact.
Yeah.
These are some grades that we got. These are like comments about it. These are the things that we had to like accomplish.
Okay.
So we get different comments. So these are like the marks that we got, and I got an 87 for that.
Oh, on your final.
On my final project that I showed.
Cool. And it says, "Nice job, Darryn. I was impressed with the progress you made."
That's all for now. I have to get my my art project that I made.
Oh, okay. So do we want to go?
Yeah. We can
what
go
about your ruins of Montfort?
Oh yeah, my ruins of
Montfort. Show that?
Yeah. Where's the?
Was yours in a booklet or
Yeah.
did you do a poster?
Booklet.
The booklets are over here.
Here you go. This is something that we made. We have to. This is like an isometric paper. There's ones that look like where is that? Like this, which are you have to draw them in like squares. So it's like a rectangular dotted paper, and you can only draw it in squares. But for the isometric shape.
So why do these drawings look different? What are the different drawings supposed to be?
We've been learning this for like like a month now, and this is the front view of it. The views are almost exactly the same. They're just opposite. So all you have to do, if you want to know the back view of a building, you just need to find out the front and the right view. For the left view of the building, you just need to find out the right view.
Okay.
So they're basically they're opposite. So
So
this
it's
is all
just
you
whatever
need.
your building would look like
Would
if
like
you were standing
in front
in
of
front
it.
of it?
Yeah. So this is like if we're looking at my building, I'm standing straight in front of it, looking at it like this, and it looks like an L. But from the right view, it looks like this.
So there's this big wall there.
Yeah, that's
but
like a giant
here
wall.
it just is
But
like
here, yeah,
a skinny side of the wall.
because it can only see it like this, and there's blocks behind it that you can't see. This is a building plan, I think, where you a building plan where you have to say how many blocks you used. So the cubes that we used, I used 6 over there, and 1's over there.
Right.
6, 5, 4, 3, 3, and it went up like that, kind of like stairs.
So then, what did your building look like?
This is what my building looks like on an isometric piece of paper. It looks really different. This is like for something called a Montserrat, a city. I think it was an ancient city or something. This is my building from all these different views, like that. This is, and we had to find out for this isometric paper, we can't like find a view of straight in front of it because the paper doesn't allow us to look at it straight in front. So it's a 2D drawing, but the paper that we use makes it look 3D.
Yeah, yeah.
So we can't look at it straight from the front as on this paper where we have to look at it only straight on the front, not from different angles. So this is my building. We had to make a letter to the council of Montserrat about using the building. So I said, for my building on the third floor, there's one that goes up to the third floor, and that's going to be used as a restaurant. And fourth floor and fifth floor will be used as a hotel. The sixth floor is a casino/disco for people to have fun, because they probably didn't have that in those days, and it sounded pretty fun to me. So I thought that was really cool, and I made it like that because I made my building like this because it was something out of the ordinary that I don't think anybody has seen before.
Yeah.
Or maybe somebody has, but it looked really different and nice to me.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, so we'll go to the art room and look at your art project. All right, tell us about your painting.
This is my painting that I made for art class. It signifies somebody feeling really sad and somebody who's really happy. These are two different faces looking at each other. If you look really close, you can see that. This is a person who's really happy. This is a person who's really sad. I chose this color for red because it signifies somebody who's really strong, which is this person who's really happy, and it also signifies sadness for me, which is this person. So this is my painting that I made for this class. I also mixed some colors for the background, which is I chose green because it signifies life, which are both of these people who are living, and I chose black because it also signifies death. It's kind of gothic. So this is my painting that I made.
So what was the main idea for the unit?
The idea for the unit was to make a painting of a mask that signified something.
Okay.
If we go this way, this is my bowl that I made. It's kind of the same thing. Somebody is feeling really sad and somebody is feeling really happy. Somebody's crying and somebody's like also crying, but for this person sad and this person is really happy. So this is something that I thought was really cool, and we had to use glass paint. So if you can see it, it kind of shines.
Yeah,
if you turn it around.
Yep.
Yeah, it kind of shines. So that is my painting, and we also made like some smaller paintings that I don't know where they are.
Grade 3, okay, grade 4.
But I don't know where they are. We also made something like that on like a piece, not with paper, but like something like something like cotton, on like hard, and we had to draw something. We had to draw a fruit. So I drew a mango because I really like mangoes, and we had to finish it before the third quarter started. Yeah, before we changed classes again. So I finished it then, and it looked really good, but I can't find it right now.
Is it in the office? Did they hang it up in the front office? Because I saw some
There was
like paintings of fruit and
yeah,
stuff.
there's food in, I think so, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
So that's what I did for art.
All right. Thank you, Darryn.
Thanks as well.
All right.